Hello. My tripod is still broken, so I'm just going to manhandle it today. As usual, I have my ground beef. I use 6 pounds of the ground beef that was from the cow that I got a month or so ago. At least it seems like it. I'm not really sure how long it's been. But anyway, so I cooked 6, or I used my crock pot. And then I've got my 6 little containers of ground beef going. This time I added a hint of minced onion just to give it a little flavor. So this will be the same as it's been. That's going to be my meals for the week at work. I have not been drinking coffee. I've just kind of wanted to get away from dairy. I still have all my coffee set up back there. I've not been even eating the collagen. Trying a little bit less of the, supplement type stuff. Just curious to see how it will work. So just going to be doing the ground beef at lunch. And then at supper time, I come home and I have something like this. Today it's ribeyes. This is Saturday, so I've been here and home all day. So that's my plan. Again, I'm going to continue that. Instead of, drinking the coffee for breakfast, I have been just drinking water. And about 11 o'clock, I start getting hungry. And so at 11 o'clock, I eat my ground beef. And then that tides me over till I get home. And I get off work about 4:30. I come home and feed the dogs. And then I start cooking my supper. So that's how it's been going. Like I said, so that's my first meal of the day. That's some dog treats back there. I've used my air fryer. It's okay. I kind of think it was one of those impulse purchases, and I think I probably could have done fine without it. But because typically I prefer my steaks fried in a skillet. What I do is I don't let them get to room temperature because I'm lazy like that, and I put the lid over it and let it cook. It was 6 minutes on one side, and this will be, when the 3 minutes are up, it'll be 6 minutes on this side, and then I'll cut into it and see how it is, because these are 1 inch thick cuts of steak that I had gotten. I cover it so that the inside can get done, because I don't have a lot of time when I get home to wait around for my steaks to get to room temperature. Otherwise, I'll be waiting, and not starting to cook till 6, 7 o'clock. So I guess in theory I could take them to work with me, but and let them, defrigerate. But I just don't have that kind of time, or that kind of energy or patience or whatever. So I bring it home. It's working how it is, and that's how I cook my steaks in the evening. I have lost 40 pounds. I'm down officially 40. I'll let you see my face. See if you can tell any difference. Maybe if I could turn the camera around. But you know what? I can't. Well then. Alright. Sorry about that. It does not let me turn the camera around. Maybe I'll do another video. My tripod's supposed to come in soon, so when that comes in, I can show you the difference. I could do this, but I don't know if you got to see me because I can't see it on the other side. So anyway, yeah, so that's what I've been doing. Christmas, I made it through Christmas. I had 1 bite of ice cream cake on one day, another bite on another day. I had a couple carrots and a couple pieces of peppers, and I think that was the extent of it. I'm still too nervous to try anything because I don't want to have to go through the detoxes again. So since I don't really know how much it would take to have to deal with that, I'm just kind of just not doing it. So anyway, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take this off because we're down to about a minute on those. So just going to kind of hopefully the inside's done. But anyway, so that's how I've been doing them. Still using my salt, my Redmond's real salt, and my no salt. And this back here is not pepper. It looks like it. It's a Greek seasoning, just some kind from Walmart. So that's still what I'm using to season my steaks. And I actually used it on my ground beef also. And I put in some bacon grease in with my ground beef just to give it a little extra pizzazz. So, and I don't have a spoon holder, so that's what I use, a paper plate. It's a lot cleaner. I could throw it away and get another one when I need to. But anyway, so yeah, I'm going to end this because I'm going to have to do something with my steaks here in a minute. But that's what I've been doing. The ground beef for my, at 11, I'll just say my 11 o'clock meal. And steaks I eat around 5:30 or so. And that's what I've been eating lately. So there you go. Have a good weekend.